how you all doing? It's Lara FX Academy, and today we are going to be talking about, today being Sunday, we are going to be talking about the volatility 10-1S entry we just got in on. Now, looking at the chart, we clearly understand that we are looking for sell buyers, and how did we get that? We placed our zone from this particular level, from the swing high to the swing low, and then we saw the market has actually tapped into our level after we got liquidity grab and break of structure. Market has tapped into our level at this point, and we are clearly anticipating for market to drop from this point to this low. Now, that being the case, we actually are done with this particular higher time frame markup. So we can now go to the smaller time frames to get re-entries. Now, on the smaller time frame, when we get to the 4 hours time frame, we would also clearly see that the market is still giving us a clear trend to the downside at this point here. We'll be able to connect this low to this point. So doing this, we'll clearly see that market is actually still trending to the downside. And the first target is this level, while the final target is this point. Now we can clearly go to the 1 hour time frame also to see what the market is currently doing. Very good. So on the 1 hour time frame, I'll clear all of this markup I did. This is just my current analysis. We will get to do it again. So what happened here, we actually have been taking characters of the market to the downside. That's been on a downtrend. But now we got our entry on the 15 minutes time frame, and let's see how the market plays out. It's a really small trade though, but our expectation is high for it to hit take profit. Now what did the market do here? So we clearly saw liquidity grab to the upside at this point, and we saw a break of structure at this point. So now this break of structure, I'll simply label it our BOS. I'll simply label it our BOS. Then at this point, I'll label this point our liquidity. So label that point our liquidity. If I'm right, then this particular area is where we'll play around with or work with. So we have our swing high and our swing low. So we basically made our entry at this point from the 0.618, the 0.79, which is around here. And we've been in on the market, we've been in on this trade. Our target is this point. So this is what we have on for the volatility 10-1S pair. This is what we have. So if we go to the 5 minutes time frame, we can clearly see the structure of the market, and we would simply wait for the market to react and give us our exact profit as the case may be. So this is what we have. It's very clear. Liquidity being taken to the upside, structure being broken to the downside, and then market testing at 0.618. Now, if you had entered from this point, if you hit your first stop loss, then if you had entered from this point, you are currently in profit, and this is the final take profit. So that's it, guys, for this particular pair, volatility 10-1S. You have a wonderful day, everyone. One love. Peace, guys.